Hello everyone, I'm here with another layout. This one is June Kit, my 6th layout. And the background is Basil cardstock, and the black and white stripe layer is cut from Heidi Swap Color Fresh called Bright and Bold. I used for the previous layout the opposite side, which was that bright green. Hey Coco. Now you open up my door. Thank you. No. If Coco's hungry, go eat Coco's food. No, ma'am. No. Alright, so that is the tissue paper that came in the hip kits. It wraps the kits. I kept some of it and thought, hey, that would be good for some pictures. And I was talking to a childhood friend, and he's like, hey, I haven't seen you in years. He's like, can you snap a picture? I'm like, sure. Because I don't put pictures of myself on Facebook. I don't put any pictures on Facebook. I have a Facebook account to get pictures my sister posts, and that's it. And so the die cuts are Vicky Booten. And some of the chipboard stickers are American Crafts Hello Friend stickers. That card in the bottom, or actually the 2 cards, I cut from the Vicky Booten Color Kaleidoscope paper. And that love circle is Heidi Swap. And now, oh no. Hello Friend is from the Hello Friend stickers. Alright, I'm going to do some enamel dots, which I haven't done in a while, and then I am going to add some ink splatters. And then when I am done with that, that is going to complete my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.